Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and I want to give you a quick rundown about a new site called MeWe. You may have heard of it, but you're just not sure what it is and whether or not you should join it. So here we are on the home page of MeWe as if you weren't logged in or you haven't signed up. If you'd like to register, you can simply fill this out. They'll send you an email with a confirmation that you will click it and you're in. Also, if you are using the iOS app or the Android app, you may have trouble registering. If so, just use your browser and come here. Now, if you've already registered, you can go up here to your member login and boom, put in your password, your user email, and you're in. One of the big things I want you to notice is your private life is not for sale. And this is what people are coming here for rather than Facebook, is simply because they're not going to sell your data like Facebook does. Another thing, they do not have advertising. There's no way to boost your post. You can't buy ads. Your stream isn't going to be filled with ads. Now, before you sign up, I suggest you read the About and the Privacy Bill of Rights. So, let's see what it's like once you are signed in. Okay, when you first log in, this is what it's going to look like. This is going to be your home page, although you probably won't have anything here if you're brand new. Let's go look at the profile. You come up to your little avatar, go to My Profile. Now, as you can see, your profile is basically like Facebook. You have a header, and it's about the same size as Facebook. So if you have one on Facebook, you can use it here. Same with your avatar. If you want to change it, click the little button, change it. Here you can edit your header photo. You can list your city, your jobs, your companies, everything like that. Now, once you're on here, if you want to share your profile with other people so they can find you, you can come down to the bottom here and you have the link to your profile. You can copy it to your clipboard, share it on Facebook or share it on Twitter. It's very easy. As you can see, these are just going to be your posts on your profile. Now, there's a few buttons here to get around. And, I should tell you, yes, they have all the somewhat fun stuff over here. And important is, down here in the privacy and sharing, you can decide which ones you would like to use. So that's totally up to you. You can change it at any time. As for the quick rundown, let's go to the home. As you can see, I've got invite your friends to join again. Then I have browse groups. If you go here, you can start looking through all the different groups they have. Groups are free to make. So if you'd like to make your own group, you can do that. I may be making a how-to on how to do it, so it's easy. Most groups you can join, others you can apply, and you will have to be approved. So if your profile's not done, you may not get approved. And they've got thousands of groups and lots of categories. You want to search a particular group because you know they're already here, click it and search. Same for pages. Pages are something that there aren't as many as groups, and there's a reason for that we'll talk about in a minute. But you can go here and search for your favorite groups through different categories. Cars, let me tell you, they got a lot of groups and some of them are hot. They have lots of members, lots of chats, lots of posts. As far as this is your verification badge, which is very different than some. Some will have a green check mark. That is not the same as being verified. To be verified, from what I understand, you have to be verified on another platform to get this. So that's just a heads up. If you want the real deal, look for this. I know that in some of them, like the politicians and music things, some of them are more like fan pages and they'll have a green check mark. Those are not necessarily associated with the star, the politician, whatever. It's more of a fan page. So that's how you go there. On your home feed, if you want to, you can see all. These are in order of when they are posted. They do not have a crazy algorithm that is going to send posts what they think you want to see. These are as posted. So it's a lot different than Facebook in that realm. While you're here, if you belong to a lot of groups and follow a lot of pages and you want to see more of what your friends are posting, you can come here and you can just click contacts and see only posts from your contacts, which are basically your friends or your groups or your pages. If you are interested in seeing if a particular page is updated, something, of course, you can click right on it, whether it's a page or a group, and go right there. You also have your chats over here. Groups do have chats, and I will make a how-to video on how to deal with them because some of those chats get freaking crazy. I only belong to a couple of groups and I've already been driven nuts. So I'll do a different video on that. But one of the things I want you to also check out, now that you have some ideas, is down here in the bottom right, you have FAQs. This is going to be very important for you to check out. I'll show you a few of them. Let's go over here to the FAQs. Of course, you can read through all of it, and I strongly suggest it. If you didn't read the Bill of Rights, you can here. Now, they are free from advertising. They don't sell your data. So how do they make money? Well, let me show you. Down here, you're going to see under the how we can be free and make money. You can start reading this. But here's the thing. You get 8 gigabytes of free storage for yourself to use. They say that's over 16,000 photos. I didn't measure it. Kind of depends on what type of photos you use and if you're uploading videos. If you want more storage, that's $3.99 per month. Now keep in mind, you're going to have to post a lot to use up 16,000 photos. If you want live voice and live video calling, that's $1.99 a month. Let me tell you, if somebody has live video calling and live voice calling, it's probably some girls that want you to go over to their OnlyFans or fans only. I don't know which one it is, but trust me, they're on here hot and heavy and they will send you voice and video messages. So they're paying to do that. The custom emoji packs, you can buy custom emoji packs from 99 cents up. And if you're really into that stuff, that's great and fine. Now, if you want to make a page, I'll probably be making an off the jack page. That is $1.99 a month. That may sound crazy. $24 a freaking year. There's no ads that I have to deal with. They're not going to hide my post. My post will go out to my followers. That's worth $24 a year to me. If you want dark mode and overlays, they have different themes, things like that, run up $1.99 and up. If you want the journals, $1.99. And then they'll offer this premium to you right when you sign up. That's something you can look at depending on how strong of a user you are. Yeah, that would be $5 a month, $4.99. Personally, I didn't need it. So that is part of it. Let me see here if I missed anything. I think I'm doing pretty good. But there are, if you want to see, let me see if I can go over here. The MeWe store, if you're into the emojis, like I said, you can go down here. You went up to the store, and then over here are different emojis. They've got some free packs. You've got emojis, subscriptions to, like I said, the upgraded storage space, pages, things like that. Dark modes, that's all here in the store. And that is, let me show you again, Right up here when you're on your home stream, right here is the MeWe store if you decide you want some of those. So it's pretty much like Facebook. Facebook has been kind of screwing over some people and deleting their pages, deleting their groups, deleting profiles. I don't know what's going on. Some of these that have been deleted, I have no idea why they were deleted. But this was the quick run through. If you would like more how to's on to do something specific, like how to manage the post you make, because when you go to make a post, you've got a lot of options here. You can even decide who you want to see it, just like on Facebook. So let me know, and I will do my best to make a very exact how to for what you need here on MeWe. And if you are on MeWe, you can look me up. I'm Sheryl Loch. And if this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribing would be nice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you get started or make an educated decision. And I might just see you on MeWe.